Hello everyone, I'm Ria. Welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru, your trusted source for advanced commodity analysis. Today, on 18th December 2025, we are witnessing a crucial consolidation phase in the black pepper market. While domestic prices in India are searching for a steady floor, international cues from Vietnam are showing signs of softening. Let's dive into the data. Starting with the Indian domestic scene, Mumbai and major South Indian hubs saw black pepper prices trading largely flat today. This follows a period of significant volatility where we saw prices correct by nearly 300 to 400 rupees per quintal, before a slight recovery of 100 rupees in the previous session. Currently, buyers are showing improved interest, which has helped the market hold its ground despite an increase in arrivals. Total arrivals today were estimated at 28.5 tons, a notable jump from the 23.5 tons seen yesterday. However, the sentiment remains cautious. With the new season harvest fast approaching and expectations of improved production, traders believe any major price rallies will be capped in the near term. Turning to the global stage, Vietnam, the world's largest producer, is seeing its quotes weaken. Prices there have slipped by about 2,000 to 3,000 dong per kilogram, currently hovering around the 1,47,000 to 1,48,000 dong range. This decline is primarily driven by a slowdown in global export demand as we enter the Christmas and New Year holiday period. Furthermore, the international black pepper community and local reports suggest that Vietnam's next harvest will begin as early as next month. This looming supply, combined with a quiet holiday season, is keeping international prices under pressure. For our traders and processors, here are the latest spot market rates. In Kochi, ungarbled black pepper is quoted at 69,100 rupees per quintal, while garbled black pepper stands at 71,100 rupees. In Karnataka, the markets are steady. Kushalnagar reports a range of 68,700 to 71,200 rupees, and Chikmagalur is trading between 68,800 and 71,300 rupees. Looking at the export front, the FOB quotes are as follows: Brazil ASTA, $6,075 per ton. Vietnam 550 GL, $6,700 per ton. Indonesia ASTA, $6,977 per ton. Malaysian origin, approximately 9,000 ringgit per ton. Additionally, we are monitoring reports of a potential decline in India's total production for the 2025-26 season, with some estimates suggesting a drop to 74,000 tons. Black pepper prices are poised for a big move next month, whether it will be on a positive side or on a negative side. For that, contact us for our paid services. Our contact details are given in the description and on screen. That's all for today's update. For more advanced technical analysis and commodity insights, keep watching Ajayasthomani Guru. I'm Ria. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next update.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।